Hello everyone! Located in the heart of Midtown East, New York, this remarkable studio renovation project aimed to transform the space into a unique and stylish partial one-bedroom apartment. Our primary objective was to install a sectional wall that elegantly divides the living and dining area from the bedroom, creating a sense of privacy and functionality. We installed a beautiful light wood look vinyl tile throughout the living, dining, and bedroom area. The kitchen underwent a stunning overhaul, leaving no detail overlooked. Our team crafted custom-made cabinetry, meticulously designed to provide ample storage and functionality. The bathroom underwent a complete transformation with a distinct touch of our client's preferences. In this case, she went with the color pink. We used 3 different finishes here: matte, gloss, and holographic, accompanied with polished brush finishes for all trims and fixtures. We are proud to have collaborated with the client to bring their vision to life. Start a new chapter with us.